Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, nails, and I'm really excited because this week I'm going to be going through another nail launch. In full transparency, this one actually launched last week, but I wanted to show you guys and kind of talk to you guys in case you don't follow me on Instagram, letting you know this new press-on nail that launched, actually two new press-on nails that launched, and kind of go through them. And as always, I will have a video up here, except for the ones that I'm wearing right here, and the sun just kind of changed. But this is the first one that I want to talk to you about of this week's launch for Hello Love. So this one is I'm On It. And I feel like in the light, like in sunlight, it looks a lot more berry, kind of like a berry purple. Not vampy by any means, but I feel like it's picking up a little bit more berry or a little bit brighter. In person, it's a little bit more of a darker berry purple. It's got a little bit more of a purple vibe to it. It's absolutely gorgeous for fall. If you're wanting some going into like darker, but you're still not wanting like, grays and dark blacks and, all the kind of normal kind of vampy colors, I feel like this is a nice transition. It is gorgeous. I honestly, when I first saw it in the box, I was like, I don't know, it's okay. But I have been wanting to try more fall colors, but I haven't been, like, it's still 90 degrees outside and it's really hard for me to wear like dark colors when it's 90 degrees. So I felt like this one is a nice little transition. I am not a purple fan. I do not normally gravitate towards purples, but I feel like this is a really pretty berry purple. And like I said, in here, it's picking up very bright, but maybe you can see in the packaging, like in person, it is still very bright, but it's got a little bit more of a purple hue and less of a berry pink hue, if that makes sense. So this is the first one. I am on it. It's available on my website right now, and it's gorgeous. The second nail that launched is Well Shoot, I'm On It. And this is such a fun, trendy nail. It's very, very mirror-like, but it's got like this iridescent finish. And if you guys remember, I can't remember when we launched this one, but it was Girl on Fire. So it is a very similar nail to Girl on Fire. I'm going to try to get it to where you guys can see it. But Girl on Fire is a true like iridescent translucent nail. You can see a little bit of your nail through it. Now, if you wear the nail stickers with it, I'd be careful because you can see a little bit of it. But if you wear the brush on glue or the glue tube, you're not going to be able to see anything under it. The Well Shoot, you're not going to be able to see anything. It is a darker version of Girl on Fire. It is absolutely gorgeous for fall. Both of them are absolutely gorgeous, but Well Shoot is just a little bit more transition into the fall. So those are the two launches that just launched last week. They're still available. I want to take you through what is in a full pack. So when you get your package, you will get a little card like this. And what this card tells you is, first off, it gives you instructions on how to apply it. I will also send you an email, but then it also gives you instructions on how to take them off. Then on the back, it has this little card here and it has little numbers on it. These numbers help correlate to what's actually in the box. So when you open up the box, you have 3 different tiers. The bottom tier is going to be this is actually a bad one because I just used this one, but it's going to be a nail file. Blue side is for the actual press-on. Pink is going to be for your natural nail. It's going to have a tube of glue, and then it's going to have a cuticle stick. So these 3 tools will be at the bottom of every single full set that you get. And then you're going to have 2 tiers of nails. So what makes Hello Love different is your nails are going to come sectioned off like this. And this little card is going to correspond to it. So on every nail, there is a little itty bitty number. I cannot see it. I cannot tell you what it is because I can't see this. But to make it easy, it corresponds. Now, why this is beneficial is you don't have to go through and like try to fumble through and figure out what the numbers are and kind of organize them and like try to look at this. It makes it very easy. But what I recommend is when you go to size them and you find out what your size is, write the corresponding number on the card, and then that way when you go to do your second set, you can reference this and you don't have to go through the time of resizing them, because every package that you get, the sizes are going to be the same. So if a 0 thumb fits here on you on both sides or whatever, then the next set that you're going to do, the 0 is going to fit on you. So you don't have to fumble through or resize them. It's all going to be right here, but you also don't have to fumble through the little things. They're nice, organized, and it just helps, saves time, saves frustration, all the stuff. So that is everything that is in our full sets. You get those tools and then you get it all organized. The only two things that I recommend that you pick up in addition to a full set is first, nail dehydrator. So you can pick up any nail dehydrator. If you're gonna be doing it, might as well pick it up from my website, but any nail dehydrator will do. What this does is it helps to dehydrate your nails. It helps to take off all the moisture of your nails, and it helps with the bond. So one thing I always ask when people are saying, hey, I'm struggling with them staying on, are you using some sort of nail dehydrator? Because even if you go to the nail salon, regardless of what you get done, they're always going to use a nail dehydrator because that's how important it is. So definitely pick up a nail dehydrator. The other thing that I recommend is, yes, even though every tube or every package comes with a tube of glue, the feedback that I've gotten from my customers is this can be a little bit messy. It can be a little bit hard to work with. So what I recommend is picking up a brush on glue. It's just a brush. You brush on like you would nail polish. It's much easier. And the feedback that I have gotten from my customers is this like makes it. I will even tell you, I've got some glue stuck on it. I will even tell you, I used to be a diehard fan of the tube. I just did it, and I just did it every week, and it was just great. But since getting that feedback, I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and try it. And I actually prefer the brush on glue better than the tube glue. Now, pro tip for this, you will never have to purchase this again, because what you're going to do is when you're getting low with this, you're going to save your little tubes. Let me show you. So I have a little caddy here where I keep all my extra tubes. And as soon as I have a new set or whatever, or if I'm getting low on this, I'll open this up and actually deposit it into my brush on glue, and then I'll just continue using this. So you never have to repurchase this. You can take the glue that's already coming in your kits, and you're just gonna replenish it. So don't think that this is a waste thing. This is literally just a tool, a brush that you can reuse, but you never have to repurchase it again. So one and done purchase, definitely recommend this and then nail dehydrator, and in addition to any full set that you get. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let me know down below if you would ever rock any of these nails. I will put my website down below. If you have any questions, email me or hit me up on Instagram. Any of the comments that are made here, sometimes it takes me a while to get to them. So the fastest way to get a hold of me is either via email or DMing me on Instagram. Make sure you follow my Instagram, because I do the drops there as soon as they drop, and sometimes YouTube, like this one, I'm a little late. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.